Kuala Lumpur EPF Branch Retirement Advisory Service RAS officer Nisa Muhammad Yusof said the EPF is concerned with the spending habit of some contributors that they run out of their savings too soon after their retirement. She said many contributors ran out of their EPF savings within 3 or 5 years after their retirement, although the lifespan for Malaysians had increased to 75 years. In advising contributors to plan well ahead of their withdrawal, the EPF is offering advice or clarification. They can refer to the RAS officers at the EPF offices nearest to them. They'll be given advice and suggestions to help them make the best decision before they withdraw their EPF savings. She said the RAS officers could also provide advice on managing their savings that would generate monthly income, enabling them to sustain their cost of living throughout their retirement. Nisa said EPF subscribers would have to have basic saving, which is a certain amount based on their age in their account 1, to enable them to have savings of at least 228,000 ringgit when they reach the age of 55. The amount is in tandem with a minimum pension in the public sector, which is 950 ringgit a month for 20 years from the age of 55 to 75. She said as of last year, 65% of EPF contributors aged 54 and below had savings of less than 50,000 ringgit. There are 4 age phases for subscribers to plan their finance to ensure they have enough money and are able to live in comfort after their retirement. The first phase is during the 20s, where contributors are highly encouraged to save by allocating their savings for assets, child education, and also retirement. When they are in their 30s, it will be a suitable time for them to evaluate their job because at this age, they should afford to make deposit payment for a house. The EPF said this is the best years to plan for retirement if it has not been done earlier when in the 20s. When contributors are in their 40s, those with families should focus more on making savings for their children's education and also for their retirement. The EPF said contributors should also re-evaluate management of their credit so as not to be burdened with debts. The last phase is when subscribers are in their 50s. At this age, contributors are encouraged to continue with their savings and should not take the risk to expand their wealth.